What's good? What's poppin', YouTube? Y'all know what's going on. Tail here, back with another video. Y'all know what's going on. I'm back with another video, but this time we got makeup for you. Alright, so this is a very affordable makeup look. It's a mix of high-end and low-end products. I'm gonna have everything listed in the description box for you though. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, keep watching. Alright y'all, so I'm just going to start off by priming my face with my NYX Photo Loving Primer. I did moisturize my face and do my eyebrows off camera. If you want to know what I use for my eyebrows, it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. I use the color dark brown. So after that primer, I'm just going to spray my face with my Badescu spray. Let that dry a little bit. Now I'm just going in with my NYX Gotcha Covered Concealer in the color Golden to cover up a pimple I had on my chin. I'm just going to get that out the way. Next, I'm using my Infallible Pro Glow foundation in the color 209 Caramel Beige. So I'm just gonna swipe that all over my face, and I'm gonna use a beauty blender to blend that in. And we just blending, baby. Blending is literally the most important part of doing your makeup. You can fix anything with a little bit of blending, baby. Alright, blend like your life depends on it. So I'm just building that coverage up in the places that need it. And I'm going to use that extra product that I had on my blender to just set my eyes. Getting ready for that good old eyeshadow. And I'm just going to take my Airspun powder and set my eyes with that. So when I put on my eyeshadow, nothing's moving around. It stays on all day. I'm just taking my NARS Radient Creamy Concealer, and I use the color Macadamia. It's medium 1.5. I'm just going to use that under my eyes and on my forehead. And you are going to see me highlight my nose a little later. I forgot about that part. So right now I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Cocoa, and I'm going to use that to cream contour my face. And I'm just using a Real Techniques buffing brush to just buff all that into the skin. And as you can see, I didn't contour under my chin, but I am going to use the extra product on that brush to just swipe it down there. There I go, getting that nose. I don't know how I forgot that. It's the most important part, baby. Now I'm just going to be using my beauty blender just to blend in that highlight underneath my eyes and on my nose and forehead. Better blend, girl. Blend like that life depends on it, I'm telling you. It's the one tip that I can give. Blend. That's the number one mistake that I see in makeup, is poor blending. So next I'm going in with my Rihanna Invisimatte powder. I'm just going to use that to set everywhere that I highlighted. Right up under my eyes, my nose, my forehead. And this powder is the truth. I'm telling you. I used to bake my face every single day because I crease so bad. But ever since I got this powder, I haven't creased. Not a bit. So now I'm just going in with my Absolute New York Pro Bronzer in the color medium. This bronzer is the holy grail. For a drugstore bronzer, amazing. Amazing. So I'm just going in with a big e.l.f. brush and putting that on my cheeks in circular motions. You're going to use circular motions to avoid getting harsh lines on your skin. And don't forget, get that neck. Now I'm just going in with my Kat Von D contour palette, and I'm using that to contour my nose. You'll see me smoothing it out with the beauty blender to avoid those harsh lines. Now I'm just going to spray my face down again with that Mario Badescu. Kind of pat the product in a little bit. Oh, that face coming together, baby. You better. And I'm just going in with my Airspun powder and using that to sharpen up my contour. Going on to the eyes, I'm taking a big fluffy blending brush. I don't know the brand of it or the name. I'm going in with that same product that I used for my bronzer, the Absolute New York Pro Bronzer, and I'm just using that as my transition color. So I'm going to put that all through the crease of my eye. And I'm going in pretty heavy with it. I'm doing a few layers of that. And this is a very simple look. I actually only used 2 colors on the eyes. Now I'm just taking this e.l.f. dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to spray that with my Badescu spray. And I'm just going to use my Beige Cosmetics Bronze Paradise palette. And I'm using a shimmery bronze color. They don't have names on the palette. Sorry guys. I'm just going to pack that all on my lid. Now I'm just going to go back in with whatever was left over on that brush and go back to my crease. Keep the harsh lines out. Now I'm just taking the powder brush and dusting that powder away. So I was looking pretty ghostly after that, so I went in with the beauty blender to try to pack that in and put a little more bronzer just to give me a little color back. Now I'm going back in with a smaller detail brush with that same Absolute New York Pro Bronzer, and I'm just putting that right on my under eye. I was having a hard time seeing in that mirror. I had to get a little closer. Question. Comment below if you make those ugly faces when you put makeup on your under eye also. I feel like everybody does it. Now I'm just going in with that same Beige Cosmetics Bronze Paradise palette, and I'm using the highlight color in it. And I'm just going to use that to highlight my face. And I also put a little bit of it on my inner corner of my eyes. And a little bit under my brows also, on my brow bone, just to make it pop a little more. So I left real quick and did my lashes off camera. Now I'm going back in with that same highlight color just to highlight my nose, my forehead, and my cupid's bow. Now I'm just going in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb. Put a little color on my lips. Keep it nice and simple to go along with this look. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe, share, send it to your friends. Recreate the look. let me see it. Tag me in it. My social media is in the description below. I'll see you next time.